everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll solve about age problem of a single person, two persons, and three persons. Six years ago, Maria's age was half of the age she will be in 10 years. How old is she now? So dito, mag-isa lang si Maria. So, sa solusyon natin, gagawa muna tayo ng table para mas madali maintindihan. Ito, itabulit natin yung past, present, at future age ni Maria. So, dito ang pangalan ni Maria. Ang past, 6 years ago, that means, kasi ang present age niya, i-represent natin as M. Maria as M. Yun ang age niya now. So, 6 years ago, that means M minus 6. Future, because nandito sa statement dito na she will be in 10 years. So, M plus 10. Now, andyan, natabulit na natin yan. So, paano natin yan ma-solve? Siyempre, gagawa tayo ng equation. Base dito sa statement, 6 years ago, Maria's age was half of the age she will be in 10 years. So, 6 years ago, ang age ni Maria is M minus 6. So, M minus 6 ito equals half of the age she will be in 10 years. So, age ni Maria in 10 years is M plus 1. So, 1/2 times the age of Maria, which is in 10 years, which is M plus 10. Therefore, to simplify this one, to solve this equation, will result to M is equal to 22 years old. Madali lang, di ba? The second question involves two persons. If Ahmad was 3 times as old as Muhammad 5 years ago, and if Ahmad will be twice as old as Muhammad 5 years hence, how old is Muhammad now? Now, para mas madali maintindihan, itabulit natin yung age nila at saka yung time, the past, present, and the future, ang mga ages nila. So, for Ahmad at the past, so we will represent the age of Ahmad at present to be A, and for Muhammad to be M. So, for the past, the age of Ahmad will be A minus 5 years. And the age of Muhammad also will be A minus 5. For the future, it says here that 5 years hence. That means, ang mga edad nila now, plus 5. And Muhammad also is M plus 5. Ahmad is A plus 5. So, meron lang, tabulit na natin yung ano nila, ages nila. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng equation base dito sa statements dito sa problem. So, Ahmad was 3 times as old as Muhammad. So, 5 years ago. So, ang age nila 5 years ago is Ahmad is A minus 5 and Muhammad is A minus 5. So, we can solve this one that we can represent this one as A minus 5 is equal to 3 times the age of Muhammad, which is A minus 5. Simplifying this one will result to this, and then after that, solving the A will result to 3A minus 10. Then another statement which states that if Ahmad will be twice as old as Muhammad 5 years hence, that means 5 years after, 5 years from now. So that means their age will be A plus 5 and M plus 5. So, making this equation which states that 5 years after, Ahmad is twice the age of Muhammad after 5 years. So, solving this equation, A plus 5, 2M plus 10, this is the equation 2. Solving the A will result to 2M plus 5. So, we have two simplified equation now, which A is equal to 3M minus 10 and A is equal to 2M plus 5. So, we can equate these two. Therefore, A, which is 3M minus 10, is equal to 2M plus 5. Solving this one will result to M is equal to 15 years, which is the age of Muhammad now, 15 years old. that involves 3 persons. Jane is 4 less than twice Leo's age. 5 years from now, Roy will be 3 more than thrice Leo's age. 6 years ago, Roy was 4 times Leo's age. How old was Jane 6 years ago? So, nandito yung itabulit natin yung age nila from past, present, and future. Tapos 3 tao involved dito, si Jane, si Leo, at saka si Roy. So, sa past, that is 6 years ago. Sa future naman, 5 years from now. So, of course, i-designate natin ang mga ages nila as J is for Jane, L is for Leo, and R is for Roy. These are the ages, present ages of the 3 people. Ngayon, 6 years ago, that means, ang present age nila, minus 6. So, J minus 6, L minus 6, and R is this minus 6. These are their past ages. Now, meron ditong nakasulat na 5 years from now. That means, 5 years from the present age. So, we'll add another 5 sa present age nila. So, J plus 5, L plus 5, and R plus 5. So, meron na tayo, natabilit na natin yung ages nila. Ngayon, hahanapin natin ang equation para ma-solve natin ang age ni Jane. The age of Jane 6 years ago. So, of course, unahin muna natin pag-solve ang age niya, present age niya, tapos i-minus na lang natin 6 years ago. Yun ang age ni Jane. So, ngayon, hanapin natin equation base dito sa statement dito sa problem. Jane is 4 less than twice Leo's age. So, Jane is 4. That means the present age of Jane is equal to 4 less than twice the age of Leo. Ang age of Leo, the age of Leo is L. And less than 4. That means minus 4. So, ang age, twice the age of Leo is 2L minus 4. Then, this is equation 1. Another equation, see, 5 years from now, that means the future, we're talking about the future now, 5 years from now, Roy age will be 3 more than thrice Leo's age. That means, additional 3, then, additional 3 sa thrice Leo's age. So that means, ang future age nila ni Roy is R plus 5 is equal to 3, dahil 3 more than dito, plus thrice, that means 3 times Leo's age in the future, which is L plus 5. Yan ang equation 2 natin. Now, the third equation, 6 years ago, Roy was 4 times Leo's age. 6 years ago, that means we're talking about the past. So, who's involved here? Roy and Leo. Therefore, we will take another equation. 6 years ago, Roy was 4 times Leo's age. So, 6 years ago, Roy's age is R minus 6 is equal to 4 times Leo's age. Leo's age in the past is L minus 6. So, yun ang equation 3 natin. So, of course, equation 1, no need to simplify because it's already J is equal to 2L minus 4. But equation 2, we can simplify this one and it will result to R is equal to 3L plus 13. Yan yung simplification ng equation 2. R is equal to 3L plus 13. Yan dito na-solve natin from equation. Yeah, this one for equation 2. So, from equation 3, dahil dito hindi pa rin natin ma-solve ang L. So, from equation 3, which is R minus 6 equal to 4 times L minus 6. Solving this one will result to R is equal to 4L minus 18. So, meron na tayong dalawang value ng R. So, i-equate na lang natin yan. I-substitute natin ang value ng R. Therefore, R, which is 4L minus 18, is equal to 3L plus 13. Then, iisa na lang yung variable natin. So, combining like terms, L therefore is equal to 21. So, Leo's present age is 21. Now, to solve Jane age, present Jane age, we have to see the equation 1. Jane is equal to 2L minus 4 kasi meron na tayong nakuha na L. May nasolve na tayong na L is 21. So, from the equation 1, which is equal to 2L minus 4, substitute the value of L, which is 21. So, 2 times 21 minus 4. Jane's age, therefore, is equal to 38 years old. This is her present age. Now, the question here is, how old was Jane 6 years ago? So, Jane's age 6 years ago is J minus 6. Therefore, J minus 6 is 38 minus 6. Jane, therefore, 6 years ago was 32 years old. See? Kung talagang hindi mo intindihin ang problem, talagang nakakalito. Kaya mas maganda yung itabulate mo talaga. Mas madali talaga itabulate mo para makakuha ka ng equation. Kailangan intindihin mo yung mga kailangan medyo maano ka rin talaga sa English na maintindihan mo yan, sentence niya sa problem.